Let's do it. So Farm 209, week 3 online B. So there is an online C for this week as well, but it's very similar to the Farm 208. So I'll just link that video. Alright, today, or for this assignment, we'll go over some labels. So we got the drug. The prescription is written here, Voltaren 50 milligram tablets, and we're going to give them 100. So based on the SIG, we're going to determine EDS. So EDS is estimated day supply. We take the amount dispensed and we divide it by the maximum that they use per day. If we have a partial, do we round up or down? Round down, because we don't want to give a patient a partial day supply. They'll run out. So we'll just round down. So number 1, our first step is an order and supply problem. So based on the SIG, the most the patient can take will be 100 milligrams per dose. And the supply comes 50 milligrams. So how many times can the patient take 2 tablets? If it, yeah, if it's Q8H.
Every 8 hours.
So it's going to be 3 doses, right? So in a day, they can take 6 tabs. So we're halfway there. We need EDS. So we dispensed 100 tablets. The patient used up to 6 tablets in a day. So we'll take 100 divided by 6, and you round down to how many days? Yep, round down to 16 days. Most of the time, what the doctor order will match what we have in stock. All right, let's try this next drug. We got the strength here written for us. So supply is 200 milligrams per 5 ml. Now let's go to...
we gave them 1 pint. Or in 1 pint. Is that what that means?
Yeah. So that's how much we're going to dispense. So let's go down to the order. Right. So I wrote the supply here because we're going to lose it off the label. All right, so we're going to give them erythromycin, 200 milligrams per 5 ml strength, and we're going to give them a pint's worth. So the actual volume is here, 473. So we can just use our approximation volume. They need 600 milligrams per dose every 12 hours. First step, order and supply problem. So the order per dose is 600 milligrams, and the supply is 200 milligrams per 5 ml. How many times will they take it every 12 hours? 2 doses. So the patient will require how many mLs in a day? 30. I got 30. Double check. Yeah. So we dispense a pint, which is our approximation, 480 mLs. And based on the SIG, 600 milligrams per dose, twice a day, they will use 30 mLs a day for an EDS of how many days? Yep. So it's an even EDS. Don't worry about rounding this one. Number 3, Tegretol, 100 milligrams. These are chewables. What's pound C?
100.
Pound C is 100. Well, let's see how many tablets they can take. So our order per dose is 200 milligrams. The supply comes 100 milligrams. This patient can take it Q12H, so that's a maximum of 2 doses in a day. So in a day, they can take up to 4 tabs. Pound C for a century is 100, and they can take up to 4 in a day. So EDS would be
25 days.
very good. We got Lanoxin. Got a couple strengths there. We got it in microgram, so that U is not acceptable notation. We have to write mcg. So it's 125 mcg or 0.125 milligram. Since our order's in milligrams, let's use the milligram numbers, right? It's already there. So mcg is the same as ug, right? This mu. So an. What does an mean again?
Add.
We gotta add. So we gotta add the morning dose to the night dose. So in the morning, 0.25 milligrams is ordered, and our supply is 0.125. So in the morning, they need how many tabs? They'll need 2 in the morning. Let's do the nighttime dose, 0.125 milligrams QHS, and the supply is 0.125 milligrams. So every night at bedtime, they'll take 1 tab. So how many total in a day? So 3 tabs in a day. So we have to add those, add them together. So 3 tabs in a day, 4, and we dispensed LXV. What's LXV?
50, 10, 5.
So it's 50 plus 10 plus 5, which is 65. So 65 tablets. They take 3 a day, round down to 21 days.
So right there, you switched them to milligrams, huh?
Well, here the order's already in milligrams, and on the label it tells you either use mics or milligrams. So I'm just going to use the milligrams. Don't have to do any converting. Top 10 selling drugs. We got 20 milligrams ordered. They come 10s, 3 times a day for 14 days. So now we are doing QS. So the doctor provided the EDS, which is 14, but we have to do the opposite. We got to figure out how much to dispense. So QS given, we'll need to figure out how much to dispense. So first step is order over supply. The SIG is ordered 20 milligrams. The supply is 10 milligrams. TID is 3 times a day for 14 days. So it's going to be 2 capsules times 3 times 14. What do you guys say, 84? All right, number 6. 10 milligram capsules, orders 10 milligrams. So the orders 10 milligrams. Supply is 10 milligrams, order over supply. Q6H, they get 4 doses in a day and 30 days. So 1 times 4 times 30. Synthroid, levothyroxine. We got 2 strengths, so they have it in micrograms, 50 micrograms, or milligrams, 0.050 5 milligrams. So we can use either or, whichever comes up. So it's in micrograms, so we'll use the microgram numbers. Makes it easy. So the order is 25 micrograms per, nope, 25 micrograms. The supply comes 50. They do QAM, so that's just 1 dose a day for 30 days. So half a tablet every day for 30 days.
Double the days.
Excuse me. Number 8, milligrams and grams. Now we got to convert. So let's convert the order to milligrams. So 500 milligrams is equal to half a gram. The supply is 125. BID is twice a day for 10 days. So they'll take 4 tablets twice a day for 10 days. Number 9, tablets. Okay. So order on the SIG is 60 milligrams. Supply is 120 milligrams per tablet. QID 4 times a day for 15 days. So they're going to take half a tablet 4 times for 15 days. One last one for this extra credit exercise. We'll change the grams to milligrams. The supply is 500. Q8H, they'll need to take it 3 times a day for 10 days. They will take 2 capsules 3 times a day for 10 days. Just double check your responses for week 3 online.